Hello, this is Brendan with Nexus Property Management here today at 212 Burnside Street, Unit 1, Woonsocket, Rhode Island. This is a 4-bedroom, 1-bath home, as well as recently updated in the kitchen and bathroom. I'd like to take this opportunity for you to go ahead and like and subscribe to this YouTube channel for all our further vacancies. As you can see, all our new tenants receive our welcome package from Nexus Property Management. This bathroom has been redone, toilet, sink, shower. From the bathroom, we'll come off onto the smallest of the 4 bedrooms. This bedroom could amply fit a queen-size bed, as well as your bureau, and has a walk-in closet. Coming off the first bedroom, you'll go into this vast dining area. Easily could fit a 8-person dinner set. Coming off the kitchen, we'll have our second bedroom, which is equal to the size of the last bedroom. Once again, could fit a queen size and your bureaus. Once again, a 2-door walk-in closet. From this room to our immediate right, you will see the kitchen, which has been freshly painted. Brand new appliance and stoves. It has a sticker on it. Fridge. Single bay sink with spray nozzle stainless, as well as plenty of cabinet space and a fire extinguisher. Coming off the kitchen, we'll come to the 3rd bedroom, which has ample space once again for a queen. So most rooms in this unit have ample space for a queen and a bureau, plus double-door closets. I'd like to take this opportunity to remind you that as a member of Nexus Property, you will be entitled to our portal, which allows you opportunity to pay your rent online, as well as contact emergency services for maintenance, and if you have any general questions. Through the kitchen, we'll enter the living area, which has plenty of windows, ample space. Could easily fit a multi-sectional love seat, large TV, and other living room requirements. Off the living area will be our master bedroom. This room could easily fit a queen size as well. Might be able to go down and put it into a king size if you put it right in the middle of the room. Possibly a small bureau with a TV entertainment stand. Once again, a full-size closet. Once again, this has been Brandon with Nexus Property Management here today at 212 Burnside Street, Unit 1 in Woonsocket, Rhode Island.